In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jupyter link Python. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along as you work in Jupyter. First, open your Jupyter interface in your web browser. This could be Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab running locally or on a server. Once you're on the Jupyter homepage, make sure you're in the folder where you want to save your work. You'll see a menu bar at the top and a list of files and folders below. That's exactly where we want to start. Next, create a fresh notebook. Go to the top menu, click File, hover over New, and select Notebook. If you're asked to choose a kernel, pick Python. A new notebook will open with an empty code cell ready for you to type into. It's a good idea to rename the notebook right away by clicking the title at the top so you can find it later. Now let's add the clickable link. Click into the first code cell and type the following 2 lines exactly, paying attention to quotes and capitalization. From IPython. Display import HTML, then on the next line HTML is kleinerls ahref gleich https. www.python.org target equals blank is greater than, visit python.org is less than, a is greater than. When you're ready, run the cell using Shift plus Enter, or click the Run button in the toolbar. You should immediately see a clickable visit python.org link appear right under the cell. Clicking it will open in a new browser tab because of target equals underscore blank. If you prefer the link to open in the same tab, remove that target attribute. A few quick tips as you customize this: replace https://www.python.org with any URL you need, and change the text between the anchor tags to whatever you want the link to say. If nothing appears after running, make sure the HTML call is the last line in the cell so Jupyter displays its output. And if you get an error about HTML not being defined, double check that the import line is spelled correctly and was run first. That's it. You've created a clickable link inside a Jupyter notebook using Python.